Hi guys, I'm Mom Many, and I am mom to 15, and as many of you know, we are busy moving, but my daughter, she had done some meals for us as far as the pantry challenge goes, and part of my meals got totally deleted, but thankfully this portion did not. She is making taco soup in this video, and she actually did a little bit of talking and stuff, and so it's really a blessing. So this is taco soup, and exciting for this month, we also have down in the description box below the free soup recipes. So I created an ebook, and it has 5 of our favorite soups and recipes and all. So those are going to be in the description box below. Just click on the link. I know some of you were struggling with the hyperlink on the short, so I'm hoping that having this on the long form will help. Also on the short, I ended up pinning it into a comment, so hopefully that will help you guys a little bit as well. What will happen is it will pop up and ask you for just your name and or what you want to be called. It doesn't have to be your name. It could be Mama Bear, and then it just your email address, and that will just help you and me to get to know each other better. If I have any more freebies, then that will be like emailed to you as well, in case you didn't get a chance to see that video. I plan on doing a bunch more as I can. I know a lot of you have asked about different recipes and such, so, and recommended that I made a cookbook even. But I want to just get those recipes out to you. So yes, one of these recipes is taco soup, and that is going to be part of it is part of the ebook that is below, and she is going to cook that for us today. So I hope you all have a great day.
Okay, so here are the ingredients for the taco soup. It's not even but anyway. Salt, taco seasoning, coconut oil, green beans, which we can our own green beans, but I'm trying to use these ones up, so we're just going to use the store-bought ones, and diced tomatoes and green chilies. Got potatoes, an onion, carrots, beans, which I will cook these in the Instant Pot, and then our 1 pound of beef. So we're going to throw it all together into a soup. Okay, we got the pound of burger in here with the onion and a bit of coconut oil, and we're going to saute that on high. Once the meat is cooked, we will add taco seasoning and broth or water, depending on what you have. Okay, so rinse these off. I did not count how many potatoes and carrots I did, but I'm guessing about 10 of each. Rinsed them all off, and then I'm going to put them in here with the meat and broth. And then you're going to, whatever you want, broth or water, whatever you have or whatever you want, you will just fill that up over the vegetables and then put a cover on it and let it cook until the vegetables are soft. Added the green beans and 1 can of the diced tomatoes. I have to try it before adding the other can. And then added the beans, and it's basically set.